What is up, JJLEE squad? And it's your boy Jordan. I'm back with another video, and this video will be like the second video to my header video that's going up before this video. I want to tell y'all what I had to do, what happened, and what made, I guess, the header video like that. But here's a quick view on the ride. I just got through washing it, clean waxing it. What's there? The wheels. I do need to hit that again, but so far it really ain't too bad, honestly. But other than that, the headers are still doing okay. They're great. You're gonna see from the video. I know I took a while to upload it, but you know, I wanted to make sure I had before the after. I wanted to put like a new intro I made myself again in there, you know, just little aspects of it. Right now that is like some trim stuff to help it darken the trim, but other than that, see the shine, see the wheels, I'm happy. Alright, let's get to talking real quick. Oh yeah, hold up. Gotta peep the inside, smelling like Gain and Beauty. You know what I'm saying? That Febreze, all clean. Alright. Okay. First of all, here's what happened with the headers. Everything is great, but when I think the third day I got my car back, my turning felt weird. And by weird, I mean, I guess the steering shaft was rubbing against the headers. So the steering will get stuck like halfway. You have to force it past it. And it will do it on the left and the right. So, you know, I hit up the dude to put my headers in. I'm like, my steering's kind of funny. I think maybe it's rubbing. I went to, first of all, I went to Firestone. I would let them check it out. I was like, my steering gets stuck whenever I turn. I did get new headers installed, so it may be rubbing the headers, but I want to make sure it ain't nothing else wrong with my car. So I get it checked out. They did say it is the headers. The way, I don't know if this is for every Challenger, but the way my steering shaft is, I guess, either positioned or how it's made, it has like a little, I guess it's oddly shaped. And then once it's parked in a certain position, you don't know if that's oddly shaped or not. And so after I got done with Firestone, I called up the dude that installed my headers, and I was like, hey, I know what's wrong with my steering. The steering shaft is rubbing the driver's side header. And he was like, okay, he said bring it up the next day. And he pretty much, yeah, it took him, I say it took about an hour. I said an hour. Because he had to shave a little on the headers, and he shaved a little on the steering thing because it was like oddly shaped or something like that. So he did that, but mainly took off more material on the headers, and that made steering smooth again. Cause I was like, it's in the process of, I say about a month. I dealt with the steering being hard, because I was like, why is it wrong? But you know, the third day I hit up that dude that put my headers in. He was like, you know, it could be the power steering. I checked the power steering, it's good. So other than that, I let that slide, stuff like that. Took it to him. He had to shave material off the header so the bar could easily turn and wouldn't rub on the header. So when you get along to this, just like a little let you know video or info video. When you get, I got pace set along 2 headers. I don't know if this is for every headers or not, but make sure whenever you're getting your headers installed, have them turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and all the way to the left. So you can know if it's going to rub the headers or not, so they can take off, they can, you know, shave a little material off while they got the car up on the rack. But other than that, oh shoot, I'm gonna drop my phone. I'm leaving that in there. But other than that, the long tube header's been great. My car's been loud. I've been in so far 4 different races. One was with a tricked out Cam Camaro that I did lose to, but he was like, man, your car is loud. And I love it, it's fast, and then we meet up sometimes too. But other than that, my car has been great. There's nothing wrong with it. I do gotta change the oil, and I say I want a week. Yeah, I'll wait a week. It's good so far. But other than that, my car's been great. I just got through cleaning. There's no problems with it, and I am highly satisfied with the purchase of the long tube headers. Y'all see in the video before this one, the before, the after, everything else, it went smoothly. I'm happy with it, honestly. But let me show y'all a little glitch on the outside again. This is just to let y'all know. Other than that, it's good. I wanted to try to fit, or at least show y'all where the well, there go the headers right there. No cats going down. I had pictures, but I can't find them on my phone. So there go the headers. They used to be black, but that paint got taken off. There you go. Other than that, let me do a quick startup for y'all, and then I'm gonna end it. I just wanted to fill y'all in on what happened with the headers part, why it took so long, and when you get headers installed, make sure that they check that aspect out so it is not messed up, and you ain't gotta worry about too much stuff. There you go. Man, I can clean the car good, bro. I really can. All right, let me go ahead and get a cold start for y'all. Quick cold start. There you go. Bam. Hope y'all like that. I do every single time I start this mug. And I hope y'all enjoy. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh god. Before this video ends, I know y'all noticed the difference. The orange demon is gone. Why is it gone, Jordan? Why is the orange demon gone? The freaking orange demon is gone. Let me open my goddamn shit. The whole orange demon is gone because this piece of trash right here, when I was driving, fell off, took this whole chunk of glass straight out of the window, crashed right here while I was driving, and while I was driving, the window just started to crack. Go down, cracks here, crack there, and I was pissed, y'all. I was so pissed. I was like, what the fuck? It was a hot day. Man, I went to go get freaking mirror glue to try to put it back on there in a different place. It wouldn't stick, man. I was just so upset the whole day. I had to go get a whole new window. Let me look at the camera. I had to get a whole new window because this shiz right here fell off and took chunks of glass with it. It took so much glass from when it fell that it was only a thin layer from the outside of the glass. I don't know why it happened. It happened. I had to buy a $220 mother flipping window. The window looks nice. I'm happy, but Jesus, you know, I ain't rich, man. I'm trying to get up there. Like, dog, got car reviews and stuff like that, man. But shoot, things get expensive, man. The head is $3, window $220, car payment $423, and I live on my own. I'm broke, and I ain't afraid to show it, man. But anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. I wanted to put that a little bit in there. It does look clean. I really do like the window. I guess that window was old or something. But anyway, I'm out of here, man. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the header video I did. You'll see. I hope you enjoy the header video. Oh, man, because I did put a lot of time into it, man. The editing, I had to put, I wanted to put the words, because just so y'all know when, before, and after. I put a little more extra work. I didn't want to put up half trashy stuff, and my subscribers is growing a little bit. But other than that, I will catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching, and just Subscribe today to become part of the JJLEE squad. And just thank y'all for watching and sticking with me. Even though my upload schedule is very much trash. There you go. I will catch y'all later. Quick look and turn up music. Turn up on them niggas. I flex up on them.
Maybach music. And anybody out there, yeah.